Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and loading the exact page you want to save. This ensures the bookmark points to the right URL. Once the page finishes loading, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on the correct view. Next, tap the share icon at the bottom. That opens the menu of actions. This step matters because the share menu contains the add bookmark command and other save options, so pausing here avoids saving the wrong page. Once the share sheet is visible, choose Add Bookmark. This triggers the Save dialog. You can edit the title to something memorable, change the URL if the page redirected, and pick a folder such as Favorites or a custom folder. Make sure to tap the Location field to browse folders. Selecting the right folder keeps your bookmarks organized. When you're satisfied with the name and folder, tap Save to store the bookmark in Safari's list. To access your new bookmark, open Bookmarks via the book icon. This shows folders and entries so you can tap the saved page. Once done, use Edit to reorder or drag bookmarks between folders. This keeps frequently used links at the top. If your bookmark doesn't appear, make sure Safari finished saving and refresh the page, and check iCloud Safari Sync if you expect it on other devices. If problems persist, toggle Safari in iCloud settings and try saving again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.